The Quick Pick is a 10 large round bale accumulator. The unit was originally designed to gather the bales in the hayfield and place them in semi-load clusters around the field or at the road approach to be picked up later by truck and trailers. Due to the Quick Pick's size and speed of loading and unloading, it has been found that the hauling of hay up to 4 miles can be done very efficiently. The Quick Pick has 2 larger chambers which in the field position are down on each side of the trailer. In the hauling position, both chambers are hydraulically folded up on top of the trailer. The chambers are designed with an adjustable size opening at its bottom, which allows the bale to enter the chamber. The adjustable opening gives the unit the capability of picking up bales from 48 inches to 72 inches in diameter. The chamber's no-snag design all but eliminates the chance of damaging strings or net wrap on the bales. Each chamber has its own rear gate, which can be pinned closed or hydraulically operated to allow for drive-through unloading. The rear gate prevents bales from escaping the rear of the chamber. The unit also has front bale stops to keep the bales from coming out the front of the chamber in the loaded position. The 4 large flotation 13.5 F1 highway implement tires, Titan's 12-ply rating, are on walking axles and allow the Quick Pick to be used on soft or wet ground. The 8-bolt hubs and wheels have a 5,500-pound load rating. The unit comes standard with a Westbar lighting package top-of-the-line series, signal lights, clearance lights, and brake lights, safety chain, and drop leg hitch jack stand. The unit is designed with twine guards to protect wheel bearings from bale strings. The Quick Pick's chambers are designed using flotation springs which make the chambers somewhat weightless when they come in contact with the ground. The chambers are designed to float free of the hydraulic cylinders when the chambers are fully down, which allows them to follow the contour of the ground when picking and unloading bales. The suspension reduces the stress on the chambers and keeps them from digging in poor field conditions. The Quick Pick is designed to be gentle on the bales, on itself, and on the hayfield. When bales are being hauled, they are captured in the chambers, making it virtually impossible for a bale escape when transported on the road. Each chamber requires a separate hydraulic remote on the tractor, and a third remote is required if the hydraulic rear gate option is selected. The Quick Pick is user-friendly and simple to operate. To pick the bales, both chambers are lowered to approximately 14 inches off the ground. The Quick Pick has height indicators to show the operator picking height and carrying height. On a good field, the bales can be picked at speeds up to 4 miles per hour and from bale to bale at 6 miles per hour plus. At this speed, the indicators help eliminate the guesswork and allow even the novice operator to easily pick the bales. As the Quick Pick approaches a bale, the operator will lower the appropriate chamber to the preload position. Just as the bale begins to enter the chamber, the operator will lower the chamber to the ground. When the loading bale is fully into the front of the chamber, the operator will raise the chamber to the carrying position, approximately 14 inches off the ground, high enough that the bales will not rub on the ground, plus a little bit more. The bales while loading should never skid on the ground. As the second bale enters the chamber, the operator will lower the chamber again to the ground. The first bale being carried will be set back down on the ground, and the chamber will slide over the top of the first and second bale. Again, when the bale being loaded is fully in the front section of the chamber, the operator will raise the chamber to the carry position and be off to the next bale. When done properly, as the fifth bale fully enters the chamber, the first bale loaded will come up against the rear gate at the back of the chamber. There are 2 different ways of unloading the bales. The most common is to lower both chambers to the ground and back away from the bales. With this method, the operator will drive the tractor between bale rows of the previously placed bales with the chambers in the preload position until the bales of the second load touch the bales from the first load. Then the operator will fully lower chambers to the ground and again back away. The second option for unloading is using the hydraulic rear gate. This works great when the operator is grouping the bales for truckload quantities in the field. To unload, the operator will lower the chambers fully to the ground and open the rear gates and drive ahead, leaving a short row of a double 5. This is very fast. Gathering 120 bales or more in an hour is very possible. Another great feature about the Quick Pick is that when handling the bales, it will pick the bales up and set them back down on the exact same spot. The advantage being that only one spot on the bale becomes soiled, and also the flat spot of the bale is always on the bottom, which is very nice when loading trailers. Bales loaded with the bottoms down make a better, safer load on a semi-trailer. The conventional bale haulers will never place a bale down on the same spot it was picked up from, and they will always have 2 spoiled spots on every bale they pick. Quick Pick Bale Buncher. Designed for speed, designed to be gentle, designed to last.